Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be giving you another Christmas clean and decorate with me. In today's video I am going to show you how I flocked my Christmas tree. There will be some cooking, some cleaning, and of course some decorating. So let's just get right into today's video. Okay guys, so I decided to add some flocking to my Christmas tree. I've been wanting to do this for so long. This was very easy to do. It was very time consuming and it was very messy, but it was pretty easy and I love the way my tree turned out. I'm just going to show you how I did it in like a tiny little short clip here. I just sprayed my tree with a spray bottle. I added the powdered flocking with a sifter, and then you just repeat those steps until you get the desired look that you want. I liked a little bit more on the heavier side with the flock on the tree, so I just kept repeating those steps. And I did this outside because it was messy. When I brought the tree in, it did shed a ton, but I feel like most of the flock will stay on the tree. So as you can see, I wish that that was real life right there, but as you can see, I had all my Christmas stuff out in these two rooms here, and it was a mess, and that took me forever, and I know that I could have added that to this footage, but I didn't want to bore you with me just kind of going through my Christmas stuff. So I do want this wall to be blank for while I have my Christmas tree up. I have been wanting to restyle this wall for a really long time now, and I thought it would be the perfect time to just take everything down and leave like a blank space while I have my tree up. And I will be moving my couch by this window, but first I want to give this area a really good clean. Today I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day lavender scented glass cleaner, and I am so in love with this glass cleaner. It smells super good. And then I'm just going to take my vacuum and just vacuum up the dust that has collected here around the bottom part of this window, the windowsill. Okay, so now that I have the window clean, I'm just going to give my couch a quick move, and fortunately I had it sitting on this rug and it slid across the floor very easily. If I did not have it on this rug, there is no way I would have been able to move it by myself, and I was here alone at the time. So now that I have it moved, I'm just gonna vacuum the rug really well, and then I am going to add some Christmas pillows to this couch. And if you don't already know, this sofa was given to me from my aunt and uncle, and they purchased it at an LA auction, and it once belonged to Amelia Earhart. There is a matching sofa just like this in a museum. I wish I had more information on it, but I don't. But I know that I probably will be asked about it and where I purchased it, so I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit of that information on it. So in this room, I really wanted to keep things on the neutral side, so I thought adding those tan colored pillows with those pretty flowers on there would work perfectly. I love how they match up really well with the white larger pillows that I have on here, and then they also kind of match in with the Santa pillow that I found. And I found that gorgeous vintage looking Santa pillow at, I believe it was Marshall's or Home Goods, but it was in a Shop With Me video that I did previously. And the back side of that pillow has a red and white stripe ticking fabric, and I just love the way those pillows all look together on this couch. So I did end up bringing my tree in. I did not film that part. It was just way too much, and it was not fun bringing this in, but I have it in, and it did shed a bit like I had mentioned earlier in the video, but for the most part all of the flocking did stay intact, and I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. But before I add any Christmas ornaments to the tree, I'm going to do a little more decorating throughout these two rooms. And I'm going to start over here with my China hutch, and I had this really pretty flocked garland, and I did purchase this. I want to say I purchased this at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and I purchased several of these, and I want to say that I got them at the end of the season when they were marked down a ton. So I had so much fun with these. These are so pretty, and they are very neutral.
If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me.
Okay, so I'm just quickly showing you some items that I have. I'm going to make an arrangement that goes on this little coffee table that sits in front of the sofa. And this is just a bunch of stuff that I have previously had for years. And I wanted to stick with, like I said, the neutral colors. And then I will add a tiny pop of red in here. I want to kind of tie in the red on that pillow. And later you will see that I do add a tiny bit of red to my Christmas tree as well.
All out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fault. I'm sorry, but we had something real, a bit of you, a bit of me. And I'm swimming through a bitter truth.
Okay, so now I'm getting into my Christmas ornaments, and I won't be using all of these. I really want to stay neutral, and I really loved the gold and the silver and the whites. I will also add a few pine cones in there and some burlap ribbon, and I love the way this tree turned out. I probably will add some more white ornaments, and I won't show that in this video because I haven't purchased any yet, but I wanted to add some bigger white ornaments in here and maybe something at the top. I'm not sure what I want to do, but I'm just going to quickly show you how I added this burlap ribbon. This was kind of hard to work with because it was pretty stiff. I did do this in the other on the other tree that goes in the other room, and it was a lot easier. So what I'm going to do is just find the center of this ribbon and give it a really good twist, and then I will take that middle part of the ribbon and push that deep into the tree and then just bubble the ends out. I love the way this turned out. I think it looks so pretty. You can use longer pieces if you wish. I just use kind of shorter pieces and then just place them throughout the tree. I also found a few vintage style looking ornaments, and I did add those to this tree as well. I loved that they had the vintage look. That is totally what I am going for this season throughout my house, and I am loving it. I love how it kind of tied in with that pillow that I had on the sofa. I think everything looks so incredibly beautiful. I worked so hard in these 2 rooms today, and I am still not finished, but this is how everything is looking so far. On days like this where I am so tired from cleaning and decorating or whatever, I don't have time to go to the store. I don't have time to plan meals. So today I was so excited that my Green Chef meal kit arrived in the mail today. It was right on my front doorstep. If you don't know what Green Chef is, it is a USDA certified organic company, and it offers several dishes including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. I chose the vegan meal kit. I am currently doing non-dairy right now, so I thought this would be perfect for me, and this peanut udon noodle bowl looked so incredibly good. Everything is hand-picked and delivered right to your door. Ingredients come pre-measured, perfectly proportioned, and mostly prepped. Green Chef's expert chefs design flavorful recipes for your lifestyle that go way beyond ordinary substitutions. And let me tell you, since I have given up dairy, it has been extremely hard for me to think of ideas or substitutions for recipes that I already have. I am loving how convenient this is, how I don't have to think about my meals that I am going to plan throughout the week, and how easy it is to just click through the recipes that they have to offer, make my selections, and then just have them arrive on my front doorstep without any hassle. So sign up today with Green Chef and get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box, and make sure that you use my code, which is MonicaRose90. Eat healthier during the holidays for less. Score limited time savings on delicious, chef-curated recipes featuring organic veggies and high-quality proteins delivered to your door contact-free. So pause the video, click the link in my description box so you can start saving money and enjoying everything Green Chef has to offer. I am loving everything that I have received so far. This noodle bowl is definitely a favorite of mine. I will probably order this at least twice a month. It was extremely good, and if you are into any type of peanut noodle bowls, I highly suggest this one. It was so good. So now it is the next day. I did end that portion of the video with my dinner, and it just got really busy and it did kind of get dark in this room, so I wanted to finish the video the following day. So I'm just going to finish up in this dining area, and I'm going to dress up these plates or this table setting just a little bit differently. I'm not really going to take away from it, I'm just going to add to it. I really loved that black and white toile table runner that I had there in the middle. So I did find some fabric, and I wanted to use these ornaments here on this table setting. So what I did was I just took this piece of fabric of toile and I added it to the top appetizer plate. And then on top of that, I just added that really cute pine cone star ornament.
It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. Feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland.
Okay, so the last area of my house downstairs that I'm going to decorate for Christmas is my entryway, and I love the way this turned out. I did keep it a little more on the minimal side this season. I feel like I really kind of fill up this space throughout the seasons, and I did not want to do that this time around. So I decided to just go with a couple of those garlands that I used in the formal dining room and just kind of drape them over these beautiful lanterns. I do get asked about these lanterns all the time, and I purchased both of those at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to use these adorable ice skates that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, and I love how they look kind of rustic and give that kind of vintage vibe to it. And I'm just going to use a command hook and then just kind of hang them off of this shelf. And then for these lanterns, I wanted to dress them up just a little bit more, and I thought I would add a little more of that pine on the inside of these. So I think they're like little candle holder sleeves, but I just added those to the very bottom. And then I'm going to finish this area off with some cozy pillows, and I'm going to keep with the neutral colors. And then I did find this Merry Christmas ticking pillow at, I want to say it was Marshall's or Home Goods. but I love this. It was so pretty, and it just ties in with everything else that I'm doing in my house right now, and I think everything turned out really beautiful and very welcoming in this area.
Oh, ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. He ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. I don't know what he wants now.
So now that I have my entire downstairs all decorated for Christmas, I can't wait to show you how I'm going to decorate the master bedroom and bathroom. I'm going to be using some vintage pinks and whites up there, and I'm just so excited to share that with you. So now I'm just going to vacuum the floors really well and give them a really good mopping, and I will be all finished in here.
And I'm not there. I don't know what you want now, but I don't care. Oh, you ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, you missed out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells no more. You missed out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells. No. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Turn around and show your face. Let me see parts of you. Oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy. And I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. Ooh, we will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. Stay close when it rains.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and be sure that you click on the link in my description box so you can sign up with Green Chef today. I know you will love it as much as I do. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
So beautiful.